Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 7X, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and disable the airplane mode on this device. First, let's press and hold the light button right here to open the controls menu and check if we have the airplane mode icon in this menu. And as you can see, we don't. So, if you don't have the airplane mode icon in the controls menu, press the back button to go back, then press and hold the up/menu button to open the menu. Here, scroll down, find the option called Appearance, and tap on it. Scroll down, select the Controls option, and here, scroll all the way down. At the bottom, find the option called Add New, tap on it, and select the airplane mode. Now we can press the back button to go back, and then press and hold the light button to open the controls menu again. And now we have the airplane mode icon right here. Scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen or pressing the up and down buttons. Select the airplane mode icon. As you can see, now the mode is turned off. It says airplane mode off. And to enable the mode, you can press the start/stop button or tap on the icon like this. You have information what's gonna be disabled when the airplane mode is enabled. You can press the button to confirm, and as you can see, the airplane mode is on. And to disable the airplane mode, simply tap on this icon again, or rather select this icon again by pressing the button or tapping on it like that. And then you can press the back button. And that's how you enable and disable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.